Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will be telling about how to fix heating issues and how you can fix it in your Motorola smartphone. So friends, if you are playing games while charging your smartphone, it will definitely heat up your device. So don't and avoid these things. And secondly, you have to just turn off automatic updates in your smartphone. Either it is from the software, like this is one of the software automatic updates, so you have to simply turn it off, and you have to turn it off from the Play Store if it is automatically downloading. And you have to just avoid heavy tasking gamings like BGMI or anything. If it is not supported at higher graphics, just if you want to play, just play it on low graphics or medium graphics if it is does not support. And or it will be definitely heat up your device and drain your battery faster. So you have to you have to clear some of the storage in your smartphone. If you have full storage, just release some storage. If you have unwanted files, images, documents, downloads, just delete them all and clear your storage, so it will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.